Dr. Daniel Amen, thank you so much for coming on DBL. Now, you are a distinguished psychiatrist and brain health expert. Tell us, in the midst of a pandemic, what's the one thing everyone should be doing right now when it comes to their mental health?
Well, when it started for me, March 10th, that night, I wrote down mental hygiene is just as important as washing your hands. We need to disinfect our thoughts. I call it kill the ants, the automatic negative thoughts that attack us. And it's so important to develop mental discipline to deal with the chronic stress that has come our way.
Automatic negative thoughts are not just for one of us, they're for all of us. And I think when you work with a lot of celebrities, I mean, including Miley Cyrus, you did recently an Instagram live video.
You know, I gave myself physical symptoms of things that I didn't even have because I had convinced myself in anxiety.
So what was it like working with her, and what advice helped her that others can benefit from too?
Well, I love her. I've known her almost 10 years, and she's just so smart. And when the pandemic hit, she called me on a Sunday night, and I had to walk her back from the ledge. She was so anxious. And as I did, and she felt so much better, she said, well, will you go on my platform with 105 million fans and talk about how to do this? And then after we did that together, she started her series, Bright Minded.
Mental health is so important, yet there's still the stigma around it that prevents people from seeking help. And I want to add to that, that Black people in this country have been historically discouraged from seeking mental health. How can we as a society change that?
I've been a psychiatrist just about 40 years, and I've always hated the term mental illness. It's shaming, it's stigmatizing, it's demoralizing, and it's wrong. What we realized is most psychiatric problems are not mental health issues at all, but rather they are brain health issues that steal your mind. I'm in a new docuseries with Justin Bieber. I've been Justin's doctor for a long time. And about a year and a half ago, Justin came into my office and he said, my brain can have problems just like my heart can have problems. If you told me I had heart disease, I'd do everything you said. He said, I'm gonna start doing everything you say. And then he got remarkably better.
Well, Dr. Amen, I mean, you're an author, you're a professor, and now I really want to encourage people to get your book because they're the best way for me. I always feel like if I can help me help myself get better, that's really effective. And the way that I do that is to go to the experts like you, Dr. Daniel Amen. So I thank you so much for coming on DBL.